At Fypon, we know the power of a personal touch. From giving homes an unforgettable look to building relationships that last, it's all in the details. We craft thousands of decorative millwork accents for endless design possibilities. As the leader in polyurethane product design and innovation, we're the brand people trust to make every home extraordinary, inside and out. From molding and trim to shutters and beams, find just the right pieces to fit any space and style. All of our products are easy to install and built to withstand the outdoors for long-lasting beauty year after year. Whatever we can do to inspire your next project, to make the job easier, or to help deliver a better end result is all part of the package. To give homes a handcrafted touch down to the last detail, Fypon elevates ordinary to extraordinary.